Wedi mwynhau heno?
Rydw i wedi mwynhau heno, nes i fwynhau gweld be oeddech chi wedi wneud ar gyfer y cyngor Nadolig. Ac o'n i'n gobeithio bod o'n mynd i fod yn gyfle i wneud rhywbeth tebyg i hynna, a mae'n ddeunydd hyfryd i weithio efo fo. Dwi rioed wedi gweithio am hwn o blaen. Mae o'n anddifur iawn.
Wedi dysgu sgiliau newydd heno, doeddwn ni rioed wedi gwneud y blaen, ond mae o'n waith gletach na oeddwn i'n meddwl fyse fo. Ond dwi yn benderfynol, dwi yn mynd i orffen y galon yma. A gobeithio tro nesaf mae'n gallu trio rhywbeth arall. A pob lwc i chi gyd ar y prosiect yn yr ardd.
Have you enjoyed tonight?
Yes, it's been really fun.
Have you learnt any new skills?
Yes, my first time with Willow, and I'm quite surprised at what I've done so far. So yeah, I've really enjoyed it.
Did you enjoy tonight?
Very much.
Did you learn any new skills?
Yes, definitely. The patterns of being able to weave, and how to start on a new piece, and then how you can create something from just all the little pieces that you're doing. And we've had a lot of help from the children as well.
Dwi'n edrych ymlaen i trio'r sgiliau yma adre.
Wyt ti'n gallu dweud rhywbeth amdan heno?
Amdan heddiw. Bo fi'n falch iawn bo fi wedi dod, ac wrach byddai'n edrych am mynd ar cwrsydd eraill i weld be all allai'n wneud.
Diolch.
Lot o amynedd. Peidio taro bobl sy'n drws nesaf i fi. Ond ia, a mae Miss Llwyd yn dweud bod fi'n gwneud gwaith taclus, felly dwi'n hapus.
Diolch.
It's lovely to come here and come to the school and to learn as an adult, and I hope there's more things going on in the future.
Thank you.
I'm very pleased that we've been given the opportunity to come along and learn Willow, and hopefully we'll be able to come along and learn some more skills with you.